Hi there, my name is Jerry Coates. I am the TOSA for Rigetti High School. I am here to show you how to change your parent password if you have gotten locked out of your parent Aeries account. So I am starting at the district webpage. So you can see the address up here at the top, smjuhsd.k12.ca.us. Okay. Up on the top right, we have this icon, and this will lead you to the resources page. On the resources page, I'm going to scroll down just a little bit, and I am looking for the Aeries portal icon that is meant for parents and students, and I'm going to click that. So here we are. If you are typing in an email address and getting an error that says your password is incorrect, what you need to do after you've tried a couple of times to make sure you're correct is to go through the forgot password. Okay, so we can click forgot password here underneath. And you are going to put in the email address that you have used in order to create your account when you registered your student for school. So again, let's try this with an incorrect email address, first of all. So if you put in the wrong email address, considering maybe you have more than one, if it does not match your account, you will be told that that address is wrong. So take a look, make sure you don't have a typo, or if you want to think about maybe another email address that you might have used. Oops. And I'm going to put in my email address. Okay. So now that it has worked, I'm going to get this step 2 box. This one can be a little confusing because I'm going to suggest that you ignore these for now. You need to go to that email address that you had and check your email because you will have received an email from Aeries. Okay, so I already have mine open. And you can see right here, I have an email from Aeries. And it is to reset my account password. Okay, so I'm going to click here where it says click here. And now that step 2 box comes up again, except everything is filled in for me. So I'm going to hit next and put in what I want the password to be. So make sure you remember it. Or if you have a little place that you keep these as notes, make sure you keep track of the fact that this is which email account that you're using and what the password is. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit next, and it will tell me that my password has been changed. Once you have successfully changed your password, you should log in right away to make sure that it is what you want it to be. Okay, so I have successfully logged in,